This is how to update your Epson EcoTank ET-2980. So let's start from the beginning. If you press the home button, we need to go into the settings. So simply by pressing on this button, I'll get to the settings menu, press OK, go down until you get firmware update. Obviously, your printer needs to be connected to the internet for this to work. Press OK. And from here, you're going to see update. Press OK again. Proceed to check. Of course, press OK. OK. Again, OK. And just like that, if there is an update available, it will search, find it, and install it. At this point, you don't need to touch anything. Especially do not turn off the printer. We will come back once this is fully completed. Once it has been updated, the printer will restart automatically. Okay, and yeah, right now you're able to use it again and start printing. So this is it. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.